Okay, so this is what child is this? Guitar 3. Looks like this. Alright, really simple stuff. You have the same rhythm that everybody else has. Actually, you and Guitar 2 are going to be really closely related throughout the entire song. Actually, you guys are playing the same rhythm for probably 90% of the song, alright? And it's the same, that rhythm, that quarter followed by an eighth. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright? Now, what I'm doing with the bar is the bar is 6/8, alright? So you have 6/8 notes in the bar. Alright, now instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what I'm saying is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so still have 6 beats, but it's a little easier to count than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so if you want to split your lines down, just have 3/8 notes on this side and 3/8 notes on this side. If you look at the rhythm, the quarter plus the eighth note is actually 3, and the other side of the measure is a quarter plus an eighth note, so it's 3 and 3, right? So it's much easier to count if you do it that way. So if we look at our notes, we have Alright, so you have a part that's very similar to Guitar 2 in that it's an inner voice, and the inner voice is a little tensiony. So be careful with that tension, alright? Don't be scared of it, embrace it, alright? So let's try it again with a metronome. We're going to start from the beginning. We're going to go through it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so right there, that were the first two lines, alright? So nothing too crazy, nothing too hard. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's look at that last line, alright? You have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, whenever you have a dotted quarter, that's all three of the beats, all right, for that half of the measure. So you look at measure 10, you look at measure 9, you look at measure 5, and they all have that dotted quarter in them, all right? So that dotted quarter, hold it for 3, all right? So starting at 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're on to the second page. Now, the second page is very much like the first. All right? Up until the double bar. Double bar things get a lot crazier. All right? So, double bar. Now, I'm looking at your space, and a lot of the time you're going to rest on 1 for the first 2 lines. All right? So, rest on 1. So, you're, just keep the 6/8 count. Keep 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But what you're going to do is you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright, so it gets a little funky. Let's play it with the metronome, and you'll see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest 2, 3. 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 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 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 Alright, so there at measure number 24, you actually are going to play the downbeat. Alright, but just think about this. Rest, 2, 3, 2, 3, and you're answering, alright, because down there in the bottom, they're going, and they're hitting the downbeat. So they're calling, and you're going to answer them. Alright, so rest, 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 rest. right, so let's look at 21. You have rest, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Watch that because it looks like it's going up to a D. It's actually going up to the B. So rest, 2. All right, so rest, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, rest, rest, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, so watch that 24 also because it's rest, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, really interesting stuff there. It's going to be a lot of fun to play, right? 25, you have rest, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,